Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to share Google Drive files on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here you just have to go ahead to your Google Drive of course, and also you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. Now in this page, if you want to share the file, you just have to go to this share options. And now tap on this plus icon. And for example, here I'm gonna upload it first. I'm gonna share this file, guys. Tap on it, and you can see it's uploaded. So if you wanna share it, you just have to manage for the access first. For example, here the file that I mean, just tap on this three dots icon. Now tap on this manage access. And in this page, you can manage for the access, guys. If you want to share to everyone, you just have to tap on this restricted. Now go ahead like this and tap on this anyone with the link. So you can share the link first to anyone, then there will open the link and it can see your file before. And if you use this option, which is only people add can open, just tap on it like this first. And now here at the top right, you can add for the people that can access your file that you share. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video from me. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.